In this video, I will show how to fix multiple hashtag problem in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you see multiple hash like this, so to resolve this problem, just you need to fix size for this cell. So move your cursor in top and change the width like this. So you will be able to see the numbers like this. If you see number is not appear, so just fix the size. And easy way, double click on this order so you can fix this multiple hashtag problem. Thanks for watching.